Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to dominate digital marketing using PLR and Master Resell Rights. If you're a digital marketer, you know how crucial it is to stay ahead of the game. So, let's jump right into it. First up, what the heck is PLR? PLR stands for Private Label Rights. It's like having a golden ticket to content. You get to take someone else's work, rebrand it, tweak it, and sell it as your own. No more late nights writing ebooks or creating courses from scratch. Sounds like a dream, right? Now let's talk about Master Resell Rights. This is where the magic happens. With Master Resell Rights, you not only get to sell the product, but you also pass on the resell rights to your customers. It's like a digital marketing inception, layers within layers of profit potential. Alright, so how do you use these to dominate the market? Here's the lowdown. Step 1. Find high-quality PLR and Master Resell Rights products. Don't just grab anything. Quality matters. Your customers can sniff out low-quality content from a mile away. Step 2. Rebrand and customize. Add your own flavor to the content. Make it uniquely yours. Change the graphics, update the text, and add your own insights. This is where you get to shine and show off your expertise. Step 3. Build a killer sales funnel. This is where Digital Boss Academy comes in. They offer top-notch training on how to create irresistible sales funnels that convert like crazy. Trust me, you'll want to check them out. Step 4. Promote like a boss. Use your email list, social media, paid ads, and any other tools at your disposal. The more eyeballs on your products, the higher your chances of making sales. And finally, don't forget to support your customers. Offer them value, answer their questions, and keep them coming back for more. A loyal customer base is worth its weight in gold. So there you have it, folks. A quick and dirty guide to dominating digital marketing with PLR and Master Resell Rights. It's time to stop hustling and start smart selling. Remember, the digital world is your oyster, so go out there and make some pearls. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using PLR and Master Resell Rights in your business. Catch you later, digital bosses.